cleaning it up, and then she's outside. We can spend the night. I got my Christmas girl. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm. I've got my liquid motivation, thanks to my friend Allie. You are a dear. And I am going to clean this up so we can start decorating. I'm going to put the first tree in the living room. So I'm going to decorate the living room. I also like to add like snowy because I'm in Florida and I'm still in shorts. So any way I can embrace snow, I'm going to do it. So we're going to start off by just tidying up this room, cleaning it up, and then Christmas decorating. Let me know in the comments below, what is the weather like around where you're at? It's about 73-ish today, which is chilly for us. I know that's crazy. So time that we get started, and I got all dolled up today because I was feeling like, you know what? I'm gonna embrace the holiday spirit. I'm gonna wear my red. I got my red nails. Gonna do my hair and makeup. So here's the mess in the kitchen. Chris took the boys to like this Nerf gun war, which I'm really excited about because I just needed a moment, and we're gonna tackle all of this. I'm gonna make this look really festive, lots of really inviting, festive feels. I'm super excited, you guys. So I'm going to tidy up my living room. I cannot wait to make this room so beautiful. I'm going to do something a little bit different this year, and I am really excited to be sharing it with you guys. I found some really beautiful navy snowy ornaments, and I'm going to add those to the tree. I cannot wait to show you. But first, let's tidy up this living room. I'm going to pull the chair out so I can put the tree there, and then we are going to clean this mess of a kitchen because I cannot start decorating if my house is a disaster. Let me know in the comments below, are you the same way? Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. So let me know in the comments, why do you love to decorate your house for Christmas? Do you love all of the lights and the fun? Do you have kids that love it? I love it, and I love that my kids love it. My son, Drew, actually loves it like I do. We get so excited. It's our favorite time of year. I mean, I love, love, love fall, but the lights and the sparkle of Christmas just gives me all the feels. I remember being a little girl and just wanting to decorate as soon as I possibly could. I was itty bitty, honestly, 7, 8 years old, begging to hurry up and go get the tree, and I would decorate the whole house. No kidding. I had a single mama, so it was kind of on me. She was working and my sister was doing her own thing, so I just totally reveled in this time. It was my favorite. Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Yeah. Haven't seen you in so long. We text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. Christmas tree girl. Let's have a toast for the lovers. Tumble around in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. It's so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you. Okay, so I got this tree about 3 years ago from Target. I believe like Black Friday, it was super cheap. It's a 7.5 foot pencil tree, and I always put it right here. It's pre-lit, and I love it because that is not big enough space to add like a big tree, so a pencil tree is all we could do, and I love it. This is like mom's tree. I decorate this however I want to, and then I have a tree for the kids in the front room, and that's really colorful, all our family ornaments and stuff. But this one is the pretty tree. While I was walking around Home Goods today, I saw the cutest little reindeer and dog sweater for Ruby, so I got it. And I was so excited. I also got her a new bed. I treat her like she is one of my children. I love her so much. The dog sweater was too small, so I'm going to have to take it back and get another one, but I cannot wait to share pictures of her in that. It was the cutest thing I think I've ever seen. So this tree is very easy to fluff out, and it has been doing so well. I've had it for about 3 years and it is great. I still love it. It is just as good as it was the first year. Definitely a win. Check out the deals around Black Friday, you guys. You'll get some amazing deals for trees.
I don't know what he's thinking when he'd rather spend his Christmas holiday with someone else. I guess he stopped thinking about me. Yeah. I don't know what he's thinking when he says that he's been driving all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. But he's not here, and I'm not there. I don't know what he wants now.
So when I start decorating the tree, I will always add the filler, like the fluffy type filler in first. This was from a garland so many years ago. So I actually just cut each little piece off, and I felt like it worked so much better that way. You always want to try to improvise with what you have. I could have gone and paid so much for each little pick, but you got to use what you have first. I'm also going to use these pine cone sticks. I will buy a lot of items at the end of the season and save a ton of money. You can save about 70 to 90%. And I love a big old glittery pine cone. I think they're so pretty and they make such a statement in your tree.
'Cause there will be someone who would not complain to drive all night, all day.
I'd love for you guys to let me know in the comments below, what theme are you going for this year? The kids' tree will be fun and festive with traditional colors. Mama's tree will have lots of sparkle, gold, glitter. I like to mix metals with silver and gold. I think they look beautiful together, and I do lots of white because this tree is not flocked, so I kind of mimic that look with adding a lot of snowy flocked like decorations. So you don't have to go out and spend a lot of money on a flocked tree. You can kind of get creative with it and give the same illusion or effect. I take these pieces at the top because a pencil tree, and you guys know artificial trees, the top of them are so thin, so I like to use these picks all around the top and make it just beautiful. Instead of having a topper, I make my own little topper garland type thing.
You ain't ringing my bells, no. You ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure.
Okay, so I take some of this like regular old snow. I believe I got this from Target, and I pull off little pieces and I just kind of put it in there and make it look super snowy. Kind of drape it. Instead of blocking the tree, this is kind of how I give the illusion of snow. Just a little bit here and there. And I love to have some of the kids' ornaments on the tree. I don't care what they look like, they are special. I'm gonna add that same fluffy snow at the bottom just to give the illusion that it's sitting in snow. And I love this because you can stretch it and make a little bit go a long way. I believe the bag was about $8 and I purchased it last year at Target, so I'm sure they still have it. Now that I'm done with this particular tree, I can kind of stand back and see if I want to add more things, and I'm definitely going to go back to Hobby Lobby and get some beautiful sparkly magnolias to add all over it and more reindeer antlers. These light up Christmas trees I got from Kirkland's 2 years ago. I believe they still have them, and they make the most beautiful addition to the tree over here. It makes like a little collection of lit up beautiful white trees, and I love it. I will take some of this snow and put it on the bottom to make it look like it's incorporated. When the bell on the door, I got this gorgeous wooden horse from Home Goods. I saw it and I had to have it. I also got this birch candle from Home Goods. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, absolutely love how this came out. I'm going for the rustic glam look. That is my style, and I have been enjoying doing it so much, moving out of the farmhouse style and more rustic glam for my living room and the rest of the house. So it was so fun decorating Christmas this way. I'm going to have my Pinterest in the description box below. If you guys want to come hang out with me on there sometimes, you can check out my boards and we can chat. But I am kind of evolving my style a bit. I love traditional, I love real antiques, and I love a little bit of glam. So rustic glam is what it is. It's gonna be you and me, decorating the tree from this Christmas sun. From this Christmas sun. Time to try to vacuum up all of the glitter. You know it's Christmas time when there is glitter everywhere. From this Christmas sun. I love how everything turned out. I feel like it is so warm and inviting. I have my own little style, and it is just making me feel so much comfort. When the kids and Chris walked in, they loved it. They stopped, they said, wow, and that just filled my heart so much. I decided to stick with my same colors that I have in my house, so I didn't have to go out and buy all new decor. So that is what I'm doing, and I encourage you to do the same. Don't rush out to go and buy new things for a new theme. Stick with what you have. And I love blues. I love natural woods. And so I just incorporated that style with Christmas this year. I actually ended up putting the navy blue pillows on the couch as well to bring more of the navy in, and that beautiful navy reindeer would have a pop of color there and on the couch. So that's why I like doing themed rooms, because it just incorporates what I've already got going in the house, and the kids will be able to have their room, and this is my classy rustic glam style. I love doing videos like this, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button before you go so you are notified every time I have a new upload. We have so much fun coming up this holiday season, and I cannot wait to share everything with you guys. I hope you got some pointers on how to make your house a home this Christmas or holiday or whatever you choose to celebrate. Make sure you have fun and enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!